So far, I haven't told you much about Liguria and the Italian Riviera, an area in which FRH also operates. So I'm going to give you a revelation. Liguria is a land of real estate opportunities and it is still very little exploited. Purchase, renovation, resale operations of the property dealer type are increasingly difficult to carry out on the French Riviera, given the purchase prices. On the other hand, they are quite possible on the Italian Riviera. On the seaside, prices are roughly equivalent to those on the French Riviera. In fact, Ligurian beaches are the closest to the economic heart of Italy and its many executives. Thus, the seaside resorts on the Riviera quickly became fashionable, their popularity attracting foreign buyers and celebrities such as George Clooney in Alassio, which resulted in an explosion of prices per square meter. However, the hinterland is incredibly cheaper because the area is economically not very active and the marketing of tourist attraction is almost nil. As a result, the real estate market in this part of Liguria is not at all tight. And yet, it attracts a niche of potential buyers for vacation homes. Indeed, the Nordic countries and more particularly the Germans are fond of this authentic, traditional, quiet countryside not too far from the sea. Real estate agencies from these countries have even specialized in this Italian market. Here is the type of property that you can find in order to realize a purchase, renovation, resale operation. This house is located only 20 minutes from the beaches of Alassio, a popular resort in the area. The house is in good condition and offers 190 square meters of main house and 146 square meters of outbuildings with about 5 acres of land. Its price, 120,000 euros. If we only take into account the living area of the main house, it gives us about 630 euros per square meters. Yes, you read it right, 630. Including a sum of 150,000 euros for a quality renovation, exposed stone, windows frame, choice of materials, this brings the total investment to approximately 260,000 euros, including agency fees and local taxes. After renovation, this house will be able to be resold for 350,000 to buyers who like this type of product. The total profit of this operation amounts to around 64,000 euros, that is to say an R.O.I of 30%. I confess, I hesitated to share this secret, so sure am I of the potential of this region. Have you heard about Napoleon Bonaparte's quote, "Let China sleep, for when she wakes, she will shake the world"? Well, I'm sure that we could choose the same quote for this region. The day Liguria wakes up, and this day is coming. Wait and see, or rather don't wait and hire us to do the job.